In this video, I will share the latest Pictory AI coupon code. To get started, simply click on the first link down below in the video description. The link will take you to Pictory's website. Here, you first need to log into your account. Next, you'll see the pricing plans. You can choose any plan based on your need. And keep in mind that you can save around 24% extra if you go ahead with yearly plan. For now, I will choose the professional plan as it offers the best value. When we click on this Buy Now button, you will be able to see all the details of this plan. This plan will cost me around $468, but I can use a coupon code to get an extra discount on my order. The coupon code is HYP20, and it will provide you a flat 20% discount on Pictory subscription. As you can see, I've saved nearly $100 on my order. Now I will simply make a payment and use Pictory AI to create content using AI. If you are looking for a complete tutorial on Pictory AI, then make sure to watch this video, which is showing on your screen. Thanks for watching this video, and I will see you in my next video.